Guys, I want to check this out. It's a 4x4, and these things, I don't know, I really like them. I love those rims, how they did the black rims. This is really, really nice. So you can take this anywhere. You're not gonna get stuck. Look at the bumper. Wow. It's made by Forest River. But this front is wild. Look at how heavy duty this is. We're gonna go inside and take a look, guys. Sunseeker. Oh, no slides. It's just cute, tiny. It's got a good refrigerator, nice size refrigerator. Oh, the sink is out here. That's cool. And then we got a toilet and shower bed. Overhead. There's a four-wheel drive. Very cool. Very, very, very cool.